Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wi-Fi KSolare 5G Pro. First, make sure your KSolare 5G Pro is powered up and close to your wireless router. You'll need to find the network name, or SSID, usually printed on the device itself or its box. Also, have your Wi-Fi password handy. It's crucial to confirm your router supports the 5 GHz frequency band to get the best speed and reliability from your KSolare device. This initial check saves a lot of time. Now let's get connected. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. You'll see a list of available networks. Look for the KSolare 5G Pro's specific network name and tap or click on it. When prompted, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Double-check for any typos. Once entered, your device should show a successful connection, often indicated by a Wi-Fi symbol with full bars. To get the most out of your KSolare 5G Pro, you might want to fine-tune some settings. Open a web browser and enter the device's IP address to access its administrative interface. Here, you can adjust things like the wireless channel to avoid interference, or even boost the transmit power slightly. It's also a good idea to check for and install any available firmware updates. Don't forget to set a strong, unique password for accessing these settings. Sometimes things don't go perfectly, but don't worry. If you're having trouble connecting, try restarting both your KSolare 5G Pro and your main wireless router. Make sure your KSolare device is in a clear spot, away from walls or other electronics that could cause interference. Double-check that your router's 5 GHz band is active. If issues persist after these steps, don't hesitate to reach out to KSolare's customer support for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.